Hi, did you know that with Wealth Step by Step, you have the potential to earn $10,000 a month, whether you refer anybody or not? Hi, I'm Carol Rivet, and thanks for stepping by my YouTube channel. Now, the 10,000 a month that I'm talking about, it's not a one-time thing. This is residual. This is month after month after month. And you can earn that from spillover, from efforts of the team. You can earn that from being placed on a rotator and getting sales from the rotator. You can earn that from members on your team referring and bringing people in. So this is really huge. You can get it from spillover from upline or your sponsor or the people that fall into your matrix. You can earn that from. Now, what makes this so incredible? Because I've been in matrices before where I brought in hundreds and it you barely make 30 bucks. you know well, that's because you normally only get paid 25 cents to 50 cents in a matrix. This one pays you $3 to $7 per person in your matrix, whether you brought them in or not. That's exciting. And it's a legit product. It's an autoresponder with customizable capture page. That's incredible. Autoresponders go for that easy. Easy, they go for $30 a month. Okay, so you're getting a legitimate product. You also get a fully done funnel for you from the team, a team build. You get placed on our rotator. You get advertising so that as we build our team, it's also building your team. This is a team build that if you've never had success before, if you struggle to recruit, this could be what you're looking for. This could be your answer. Now, maybe in a year you're not making 10,000 a month, but maybe a quarter of that, maybe half of that. Would that change your life? Would that make things easier for you and your family? Why don't you click the link below and check this out and get more information? Again, you can earn up to 10K with this without referring a single person. That's because you earn $3 on all your levels till your seventh level, and then on your second level you earn $7. So this is not like anything you've seen before. This pays 89.7% of the commissions of the profits to the distributors, to us, us affiliates. So that's more than anything else I've seen pays in a long time. Okay, so if you'd like more information, click the link below, leave a comment. If this helped you at all, please like, subscribe, and share. And I would love to see you join, whether it's me or somebody sent you to this video, you're on my team. I'd love to hear from you. God bless and take care.